Most people think that manifesting is about wishing, visualizing, or hoping. But Neville Goddard made it painfully clear the feeling is the secret, not the thought, not the affirmation. The emotion you carry, that's your creative power. That's the language the field understands and responds to. According to Neville, you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. And what you are is defined by your dominant emotional state. So if you want health, wealth, love, peace, prosperity, abundance, longevity, you must feel it as already done before it shows up. Not fake it, not beg for it, not hope for it. Actually embody the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Neville said the feeling is the one and only medium through which ideas are conveyed to the subconscious. And your subconscious, it doesn't argue, it doesn't reason. It just accepts and projects. That's why your outer world is always mirroring your inner world. Thought without feeling is static. Feeling without thought is chaotic. But when thought plus emotion fuse, you broadcast a frequency that commands reality. And when that signal is clear and felt repeatedly, the field must rearrange itself. That's the essence of the feeling is the secret. Your job isn't to hustle harder or wish louder. Your job is to enter the state of the end now and live from it. What does it feel now that you have everything you desire? What is that wish fulfilled? You must tap into that frequency and embody it ahead of the change in the environment. And if you tune into that signal, the field will rearrange itself to give you that experience in your three-dimensional reality. I'll see you in the next video.